Example number 7 of exercise 3.4. Question is RICE is a rhombus. Find x, y, z and justify your findings. This is the figure given. RICE. This is a rhombus, okay, and there are unknown angles and unknown sides x, y and z, which we have to find out. Okay, so let's start with x. See, x is half of the diagonal and the other half of the diagonal is given 5. If you remember the properties of rhombus, the property about diagonals is that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Okay, that means this diagonal EI is being bisected at point O. That means this part and this part have equal measure. X is equals to 5. So value of x is 5, and what is the reason? Reason will be diagonals bisect each other. Now let's find out the value of y. Similarly, y is half of a diagonal and the other half of that diagonal is 12. So according to the property diagonals bisect each other, y and 12 have equal measure, means y is equals to 12. So y is equals to 12. Reason is same. Every time you have to mention the reason. Diagonal bisects each other. Now third, z. See, z is side of the rhombus and the property of sides of rhombus is all the sides are equal. And one more thing, all the sides have the same mark here, that it shows that all the sides have equal measure. One of the side is marked with 13. If this side is 13, that means all the sides are equals to 13. So z is equals to 13, and the reason is all sides are equal. So x is 5, y is 12 and z is 13. Now example number 8 is RENT is a rectangle. Its diagonals meet at point O. Find x if OR is 2x plus 4 and OT is 3x plus 1. This is OR, which is 2x plus 4, and this is OT, which is 3x plus 1. See, OR is half of the diagonal RN and OT is half of the diagonal TE. Okay, now if you remember the properties of diagonal, what are the properties of diagonal in a rectangle? Very first thing, that diagonals are equal to each other. Okay, in a parallelogram diagonals only bisect each other, but in rectangle diagonals are equal in length and they bisect each other. So there are two properties about diagonal. Now TE is one of the diagonals and RN is the second diagonal, and according to the property these two diagonals are equal. That means RN is equals to TE. Diagonals in a rectangle are equal. Okay, now I have used the first property, that diagonals are equal, and second property is they bisect each other. That means at point O, Rn is being divided into two equal parts. That means OR and ON are equal, and similarly OE and OT are equal. Okay, that means if the full length is equal to each other, the half of the length will also be equals to each other. If Rn and TE are equal in length, that means their halves will also be equal in length. Okay, so to represent half of something, we write down 2 in upon. We just write down 2 in division. That means Rn by 2 represents half of Rn, TE divided by 2 represents half of TE. What is half of Rn? See, this is the side Rn, okay, and the half of Rn is RO. ON is also half of the diagonal, but I am not taking this part because the side is mentioned here. That's why I am taking OR. So this will become OR, and half of TE is OT. So TE, half of TE will become OT. So if full lengths are equal, then halves are also equal. Here you can mention that diagonals bisect each other. Their diagonals bisect each other. Only because of this reason we can write that their halves are equal. Now OR, what is the value of OR given? It is 2x plus 4. So let's put 2x plus 4. Now OT is 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1. Now simplify the equation. 2x plus 4 is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay. Now this 3x will be shifted to this side. It will become minus 3x. 2x minus 3x is equal to 1 minus 4. 2x minus 3x minus x. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus minus cancel. X is equals to 3. So this is the value. Now listen one more time. In a rectangle, both the diagonals are equal in measure. If the diagonals are equal in length, then their halves are also equal. Okay, and at point O they are being divided into two equal parts. If full diagonal is equal to each other, then their halves are also equal. To represent half, we write down 2 in division. The half of this diagonal means the half of Rn is RO, that means OR, and half of diagonal TE is OT, this part. And now I have put the values of OR and OT and then simplify the equation.